Take it. All right. Stay right here.
When a glass of wine turns into a one-way ticket to prison and takes the plane down with it.
Get up!
Don't bite me.
Get up! Do not take my belongings!
She's secret.
You gave me my one and only warning!
She just wanted to fly to Boston, but made the whole crew make an emergency landing in a jail cell. Woman claiming to be a police officer refused to leave a plane, and no one expected it to bring the entire flight to a halt. What really happened?
All right.
Do not take my belongings!
She's secret.
You gave me my one and only warning!
When she challenged both the airline and the police with a bizarre statement, "I don't trust this state," the situation began to spiral out of control.
Hello. Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
Is she traveling with anybody? No.
You're not answering me? Are you feeling okay?
I'm feeling fine.
Okay. Have you taken anything today?
No.
No, have you drinking anything today?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we're just here to make sure you're okay. You're concerning a lot of people.
See my ticket? You checked it when you got on the plane.
I didn't check it.
Your company actually did.
Can you get up for us?
No.
Okay. Well, we can do this the easy way or the hard way, but I'd like you to get up, okay?
You need to stand up and get off the plane, ma'am.
No, I don't.
Yes, ma'am. Delta Airlines is not going to fly you. Need you to stand up for me. Ma'am, I'm going to allow you to...
For what reason?
I don't... The airlines say they want you off the
For
plane.
what reason?
Because they don't want to fly you. That's the reason they gave me. That's the only reason I need. Need you to stand up. I'm going to allow you to walk out under your own power, ma'am, or I'm going to do it for you. Which would you rather it be?
Alicia, can you do me a favor? Can we do this the nice way?
I want to fly to Boston. That's
Do you know her?
the ticket I booked.
Or you just have to
That's my ID that I got on.
All right, here's your choices,
And you can
ma'am.
tell me, what did I do wrong?
Here's your two options.
Whoa.
You can get up under your own power and exit the plane, or I'm going to deboard the plane, and I'm going to put you in handcuffs and drag you off the plane. Which one do you want to do?
The crew was faced with two options: call for medical attention to calm them down, or begin a full evacuation of the plane. The answer came sooner than they thought.
I'm going to allow you to stand up by yourself and walk off with me, or I'm going to deplane this aircraft, and then I'm going to remove you from this aircraft. Once that happens, you're no longer in charge of being able to stand up and do it on your own accord.
We can see if medics can try to get her to come off.
She sounds pretty intoxicated. I mean, she's slurring and all that. She said she
She's
had a double.
Prosecco with a double shot of tequila.
She doesn't want to get off. So, I mean, we can give the medics a chance if the captain doesn't want to wait.
If the captain doesn't want to wait, then we'll...
Yeah.
So, options here. We could try to let medics come on and see if they'll talk
Sweet
her
talk her
into
off?
come
Yeah.
Or if y'all can't wait, have one of y'all basically say...
Our policy is we have to deboard the aircraft before we physically remove her because we don't want anybody to get hurt from that.
Yep.
We can. Medics are on their way. Maybe they can
are on
sweep.
their way.
Yeah.
Yes, they're already en route. We're assigned to this terminal. That's why we got here first.
Okay, thanks for coming out.
What
so
are
quick.
y'all...
I
We
think
can-
let's wait for the medics, see if they can get
See
her
if they
off.
can sweet talk her?
Yeah, because she's definitely not coming.
Yeah, and so we'll go from there. Just wait here. Maybe us, police are not always the...
Police issued one final warning, but just seconds later, cameras captured the chaotic moment no one wanted to witness.
You're not in trouble at this point, but
Get
you're not
your
flying.
hand off my shoulder.
She's not there enough to even look at me, so yeah, go ahead and deboard.
Deboard?
Yep.
Don't go up there like, ma'am, we're going to start assisting her. If we need to, we'll put handcuffs on, but if we can get her to stand up, we can, but...
Nobody touch her. Sorry guys, you gotta deal with this.
We can leave our suitcases.
Yes, leave stuff, leave stuff. Leave your stuff, leave your stuff!
Okay, sorry.
Leave your stuff, come off the airplane! Just leave it!
Hill, will you go in the row behind her? That way, if we need to handcuff her, we can just lean her forward, handcuff her right in the seat.
Good luck, man. Yeah, we're good. The guy sitting next to her still on, but...
Ma'am, need you to step up and get off the plane. If not, I'm going to place you in handcuffs and take you off this plane. This is your one and only warning.
Just pick her up.
Yep.
Do not take my belongings.
Do not
take my belongings. You gave me my one and only warning to get off. Why would you do that? I was getting up.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go.
Give me my one and only warning back.
Stop fighting it. You're making it worse.
Is she uncuffed? Is she unbelted?
Yeah.
All right, stand up, ma'am.
I got it.
Yeah.
Walk. Ma'am, start walking.
She might not be able to. Can y'all get that wheelchair off?
She's got her bag in this bag.
I got it.
Why would you do that?
From a ticket to Boston, she ended up with 3 criminal charges and a chilling statement. I just want to go home. But is there any way back?
So, even if she's not a public intox, she's CT.
Technically, if you say get off or you're going to be arrested, and she says no, and they're deboarding, and she gets off and they're deboarding, you get still arrested.
Look, Alicia is your name, right? We're just trying to figure out what's going on. We are called because there was a medical emergency on the plane. You weren't listening to us. Your eyes were closed.
Yeah. Sometimes I just want to sleep.
Okay, that's fine, but you weren't answering us. You were ignoring us.
Does not every businessman?
Okay, did you have anything to drink today?
Yes.
It's not illegal to drink or to be drunk, but we're trying to figure out what's going on.
Exactly.
How much did you have to drink?
Today?
Yeah, today.
About 6 drinks.
About 6 drinks? About 6 drinks of what?
Port.
Ports? Is that a beer?
Port wine.
Port wine? Okay.
Do you want a witness statement from?
Yeah, I just want to.
Well, I go get a paper.
If we can get one from just one of the one who said she saw her acting strange, and was it the nurse?
Well, I guess the problem is they're going to try to get this flight out.
Well, we can get at least if we can't, at least get it on body cam.
Okay.
For the one saying they wanted her off, she refused.
Well, he's got to handle it.
Yeah.
I met one guy that I thought might be kind, and I tried to change my seat. And then...
All this happens because you wanted to change seats?
Yeah.
Maybe next time just stick to the same seat.
And that's exactly where I sat, which is on my ticket.
If you want to pick that stuff up.
All right, Alicia. You stand up?
Don't tense up, ma'am. You're going to be placed under. We have your bags. The gentleman has a bag.
What are they being
You're going to be arrested for criminal trespass.
Lee said she was arrested for trespassing, public intoxication, and resisting arrest. Further procedures included a detention, property search, and a search before being taken to jail. Next, when a woman approached police at the airport to ask for information about a discounted ticket, no one expected the story to spiral so far that security had to get involved.
Stay right here.
Get up!
Don't bite me.
From a normal conversation, within minutes she started screaming in the middle of the street, calling the police fake, and demanding that passers-by call 911 on her behalf.
Power abuse.
It's going to be down there
Call
at 8:30.
911, please, mama.
I am 911. The bus is coming at 8:30.
You're not a 911. You're a fake police working for the drug dealers. Can you call 911, please? That's all I ask. Tell them that I'm going to be stand up and the bus stop. He's just trying to mess with me because my children is stolen
I'm
from
trying
the
to get
drug
you on the
dealers.
bus that comes at 8:30. It's coming at 8:30.
I don't want you close to me. Back off, fake police. You're doing power abuse.
Point to at the front of the airport.
Okay? I was asking the guy what time the local bus coming.
It's
And
8:30.
you just came here to try to kick me out. Why? Because you protected the freaking drug dealers? My God, I've been raped.
Can you come out of the road for me? I need you to come out of the road.
Back off!
Come out of the road for me.
Can you call someone, call 911? Please call for an officer. He's trying to kick me out because I was asking you what time the local bus is coming. I'm at the bus stop. I'm not inside. I just need to someone call 911.
Do you want to get on the bus or not? It's down. It's going to come down there at 8:30.
Get off. Back off. You don't have the right to keep harassing me.
Nobody's harassing you.
Sir, can you call 911, please?
Right now, you're causing a disturbance.
And then, like a storm, she rushed in to fight back, kick, scratch, and bite an officer to the point of hospitalization.
I want you to get on the bus and leave. It's going to be coming at 8:30.
At 8:30?
And it's going to be down there.
Yes,
where that
but
is.
you there.
So let's walk back
So
down there.
I walk here because you follow me. So stop
Walk
following me and
walk
back
back
off.
down. I'll watch you walk back
Go
down
back
there.
to the school
Come back on the
and
sidewalk.
learn how human rights are because you just work for the drug dealer.
Come back on the sidewalk and walk down there.
Shut up. Go your mother, okay? And back up.
Thank you. Don't walk in the road for me. I'm gonna
It's
have
my decision, it's my life, and you know how to do it. You bother me.
get off the road. Here, you need to get off the road. All right? No, I'm not. I want you to get off the road.
Hey, someone call 911!
I want you to get
He
off the
wants
road.
to kill me!
Stay right here. Stay right here. Don't bite me.
Get off! Get off! Someone call 911! He's harassing me!
Yep.
Get
Stop
off!
resisting.
If you resist, it's going to get
Stop
tighter.
resisting
Stop
and kicking.
resisting and kicking the officer.
Stop resisting.
You're the one harassing me! Kicking me!
843. She's fighting.
Stop harassing me! Coward, you're gonna have consequences!
It's going
Okay?
to get tighter. It's going to get tighter. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
This person is the drug! Open the drug dealers! You think you're gonna get away with this, right? You don't have idea.
Additional units, GPD Channel 1 is 1033, GPD
Someone
Channel 1.
call
Stop
911.
resisting.
He's doing power and stop resisting.
Stop
He's
resisting.
a good man. Hurry me!
It's Channel 2, 2019.
There it is. Don't hit me.
You're breaking. You're breaking.
You're pushed over.
Break it.
I don't want to break it. I'm trying to just got it. Don't bite me.
Stop it.
Stop resisting.
Call 911, please. These police are fake police working for the drug dealers. They killed my kid.
Even when restrained, she continued to scream horrifying accusations, claiming that the entire system was protecting her child's killer. That's what will stop.
Sir, call 911. It's a fake police for the drug dealers, sir. Call 911, sir, please.
Stop resisting.
Sir, call me. He's not trying to be nice. He was harassing me when I was...
Stop resisting.
Get away.
Stop resisting.
Evil. Fake police, you work for the drug dealer who killed my kids.
Stop resisting.
Get away.
Hand behind your back.
No, evil. Fake police, coward. That's the only thing you have to do, protect the drug dealers and kill women, little.
Bus.
I was waiting for the bus and that is cameras. You're the one messing with
Put
me.
your hand behind your back.
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
843.
You're gonna have consequences.
Let go.
She's still fighting, biting.
He using power abuse. There is two men hurting me.
Stop
My arms and my
fighting.
legs.
Stop resisting.
He was following me to the bus and stop and he don't leave me alone. He's doing harassment.
I don't want her to bite me.
Stop it. You want to get cuffed this way? Or you want to get cuffed the right way?
Just go.
You're gonna have consequences. Sooner or later.
He eventually faces a series of serious criminal charges, but is it the result of guilt or the cry for help from a broken mind?
He's not nice. He's not in front of other people, but now when he was alone with me at the bus stop.
Did you see everything that happened?
Yes.
Can I get you to stay for a minute, if it will, just so I can get your name after we get
And
her?
you think you're gonna
in the
cover at
car?
your ass? With that? Haha. You don't have the idea who I am. And you see the consequences. There is camera that I came to the bus stop to wait for my bus. You're not gonna forget this ugly face into your entire life. He's harassing me at the bus stop and he's hiring me 2 men. Okay. Sir.
So it's kind of wrapped around.
Ow.
Weird.
How many units you need up there?
Probably one more and a signal 30 here.
Try and cover in the back.
Whatever you want to do. I just know that, she bit me. Where did
The
she bite you
money of
at?
the drug dealer pay, and I'm gonna be enough. You're gonna remember my name to the whole
I'm
life.
comfortable
Right
trying to
there,
put it
yeah.
back. You are.
Because they throw me on the floor.
Listen to me.
I'll help you.
Listen to me.
Sir,
If you bite me, you're going to regret it.
No, sir.
Understand? We are going to move your,
harassing.
we are going to
Check the
move your
camera. Check the
handcuffs.
camera.
We are going to move your handcuffs to the back. Behave.
I respect the man who
Okay.
respects her, but he
Okay.
was harassing. Check the camera, sir.
Okay.
Please.
Once again,
Don't,
you're going to put your handcuffs in back. Do not bite me.
Sir, he was on drop me first.
You have keys.
Check the cameras. I don't ask you put the hand on fire for what I say. Just check the cameras.
Wrist, if you just want to hold her head. Here.
Check the cameras.
Do you have that on? Do you want to get that on, silly?
Don't worry, you can do it. I can listen to you. I know how to respect, but he was abusive.
I'm gonna undo the cuff on that arm that I'm giving you. Cuff stand on ours, Ethan.
Just check the camera, sir.
Okay.
He was harassing me and the bus stopped, and I was yelling to somebody, call 911, a real police, put me away from him. Just put me away from this man, please. That's all I ask. Get off from me. Can you hold me? Take away this man from me, please. That's all I ask. Take his hand away from me, please.
My hands on my hands.
Can you pick up my paper or send somebody, because that's the identification that I have. Please.
Hold on, man.
No, it's okay. Take my bag. Don't let him touch it. Take my stuff.
We'll handle it.
Take your body.
In the state of Florida, assaulting a police officer is a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a maximum fine of $5,000, 0 cents. Causing bodily harm can result in up to 30 years in prison and a $10,000, 0 cents fine. The woman was charged with 2 counts: resisting a law enforcement officer with or without violence and assaulting a police officer. The injury she caused required hospital treatment for the officer. The charges could result in jail time and mandatory psychiatric treatment if the court determines she is incompetent. As for a free ticket, get a one-way ticket to jail.